Hello students, in tutorial 2 about Casio calculator, I want to show you how you can use it for find the root for a quadratic equation. It's a good technique. If you be expert on Casio, you can save too much time for you in exam or during your homework or during your practice. For example, we have this problem 4x squared plus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. How we can solve it by calculator? From math 5, it's about equations, so choose 5. Quadratic equation. The number 3 belong to quadratic equation. 3. A represent the coefficient for x squared. Coefficient for x squared or a equal to 4 equal to then 4b. The coefficient of x which belong to b is 7. So 7 equal to. Regarding C, we have to in the left hand side. If it be in right hand side, you should bring to right left hand side and put the sign for this number. In here we have positive, so you have to put positive, so I choose 2. Let's calculate it. X1 equal to minus 0.3596. That's x1 minus 0.36 approximately, but that's the exact value, the exact answer. Regarding x2, which is minus 1.39, let's see how calculators evaluate it for us. Minus 1.39. You see it is the same. Let's solve another example. For example, this one or this one. It's no matter. Let be this one because the sign for this number minus 3x squared. Okay. Put the value for x squared, which is 3, equal 4b minus 11 and minus 4 for c minus 4 equal x1 is 4. Let us check. You see x, one of the x value is 4. It's no matter you call it x1 or x2, 4. And for the second one, minus 1 over 3. This is the symbol for minus 1 over 3. That's all. I hope it can be helpful, and I will make a series of tutorials about using Casio, which make you expert to save your time and to fastly calculate or solve your problems. Have a nice time.